My name is Gina Lay, and I am a creator. I am here to teach you how to make beautiful creations of your very own. I'm a wife, mom, loom knitter, crocheter, organizer, and all things DIY. I encourage you to subscribe to my beginner-friendly channel for inspiration to make something or do something new. Thank you for joining me, and I will see you in the next video. Hi everyone, thanks for joining me today. In today's video, we are going to talk about the new year. First of all, I would like to wish you a happy new year. I hope that 2019 was fantastic for you, and I hope that 2020 is even better. This channel is going to do a few different things this year. Nothing outlandish or crazy, but just going to do a few different things. I'm going to try some sewing, some more reviews. Basically what I'm trying to say is I'm going to really focus on trying to make more content and upload more. Do you have any New Year's resolutions? Well, my resolution, one of my resolutions right now is organizing. I'm really struggling as far as yarn organization, and I have a problem where I'm like, oh, I need that yarn, and then I buy it and I don't know. I don't even know what project I'm doing with it, but I have to have it. Do you know? I know you know what I'm saying. So one of my goals this year is to use all of that yarn that I have stashed. So might be unrealistic, but I'm going to give it my all. So not sure what I'm going to do with it, but I'm definitely going to focus on using a lot of my yarn stash and getting organized. I do plan on making a few organization videos, just, you know, as far as crafting and you know, how can I organize this better, or even how can I organize my pantry better. I mean, everybody needs organization skills, so that is what I plan on doing. I'd like to know what your New Year's resolutions are. So leave me a comment. Let me know what you would like to accomplish. Let me know if there's something you would like to see on a video as far as loom knitting or even crocheting. I possibly can help you with a crochet video, or where you could find a good crochet video, because I also love crochet, and I know this is primarily a loom knitting channel, and that's what it's going to stay, is a loom knitting channel. So don't worry, but I'm also going to focus on other things because I just want to branch out a little. There's a lot I want to say, and there's a lot I want to do, and I can't always do that in the way that I want to. So I'm going to find a way to do it. So again, I just want to wish you a happy 2020. I hope it's a great one for you. I can't wait to see what happens. Thanks for joining me, and I will see you at the next video. Bye!